WIMI is on the move in the pre-market session of today, the 28th of March 2025, up 17.92%. Not a huge lot. We have seen it print an intraday high of 1.1, and a couple of days ago, the company indicated that it has taken up some more shares in MLGO. So this is its 4-hour chart. So going by what we are looking at right now, we have 1.22 upper projection. Below that, 1.15, and below that we have 1.04. But going by what we have here on this daily chart, going by this rejection of 1.11, or this intraday high of 1.11, and this low of 0.8487, we the difference between those two prices is 0.25, and then if you multiply those by 1.618, you have 1.43. So that's 1.43 is a possible one upper projection. And if you multiply that difference, 0.25 by 2.618, you get an upper projection of 1.68. And then multiply that difference again by 3.618, you get an upper projection of 1.93. So those are the sort of projections that can possibly occur. I don't think it hasn't printed any of those in the since at least going all the way back to Feb. Beginning of this year, I want to believe. But let's have a look at the daily chart and see what whether that has actually printed in the past before. So we have here on the daily chart, we have upper projection of 1.25. Do we have anything like that? We don't have. We have 1.47. We have 1.43, and then 1.61. Yes, we don't have one. Yeah, we have 1.68. So something close to that. So indeed, if you go back to all the way back to end of last year, you can see that all the projections we have 1.43, 1.68, 1.93, and indeed these ones here, and indeed the ones on the daily chart, they are quite possible because the stock has already printed then, not very long ago, not very long in the medium term, the medium time frame. It's the probability of those printing is there just because it has done them before, so at least you'll be getting decent probabilities, not fantastic, at least something close to 10%, or a lot even less. But even if it's 1%, there is a lot of certainty within that 1%. So, but just because it has actually printed them before, not very long ago, the algos that are to a great extent behind much of the trading that we are, or rather much of the price movements, that we all you and I are dealing with, who are aware of that data, or are aware of this fact. So if they want to push up the price, they know that some of these prices, especially these projections, have already printed before, not very long ago. So they can equally go ahead and push them up there. So WMI is not a low float, unlike MLGO. So upper projections all the way towards 1.43, 1.618, 1.93. The one on this daily chart, we have 1.61, 1.47, and 1.26 on its 4-hour chart. Let's see. On the 4-hour chart, we have all the way towards 1.22, 1.15, and where it is right now, 1.04. Gain now is at 20.28. See what you make of WMI. We haven't seen any news behind the strength that is showing. Some news might come out later on. And thank you very much for watching this video.